Hello everybody and welcome to another video on ways you could be making money online. First of all, I want to thank you very much for watching and remind you that we are constantly uploading videos on ways you could be making money using the internet. That is right, we are constantly uploading videos on how to make money online. With our videos, you will learn the many different ways you could be making a lot of money with just a phone or a computer. It is easy, it is simple, you don't have to get out of bed to make money online. You just log in and sign up to the services other people need and then they will pay you for it. It's a great way to make money. Today we will be talking about affiliate marketing, so stay tuned and learn step by step how to get started and how to make money through this wonderful tool. But first, I want to ask you for a small favor, and if you haven't, please hit that subscribe button. It will help me, it will help you, it will let you know next time we have another awesome video up on ways you could make money online. Make sure your notifications are on so you get notified when a video is up, and make sure you watch the whole video all the way to the end. We will be covering a good amount of information in here, so make sure to stay tuned. Now let's get started and let's get you going on how to make money through affiliate marketing. Let's get started with learning about affiliate marketing and what it is. Affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by promoting someone else's products. It's like a salesman, but online. It works by finding a product you like, promoting it to others, and earning a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. Sounds easy, right? Just find a product that you like, recommend it to people. If it gets sold, you make money. Now, you might be saying, yeah, that sounds easy and fun, but how hard is it to find products willing to pay me to promote them? And where do I find them? And the answers are very simple. It's not hard at all, and it's Clickbank. Clickbank.com is the largest affiliate marketplace globally. This means that you can find other people's products that have affiliate programs, then you can join those affiliate programs with the click of a button, and you can start promoting their products and earn a commission from it. It's one of my favorite ways of making money online. It is a way to make passive income and earn money using the internet. You just do the work, you get paid, and you keep getting paid, and it's that simple. I'll show you how to get started. This is step number one. First, let's go to this webpage. It's clickbank.com. Now, Clickbank is the largest affiliate marketplace in the world. Here you can sell, promote, shop, and learn. This is the tool I was talking about. It is a great tool to make money with operations almost everywhere in the world and with over 20 years in the map, so you know you can trust them. Now, what do we want to do here? We want to promote other people's products, right? In other words, we want to become an affiliate, so let's hit the start promoting button. This page has a lot of information, but I believe the most important part of the information is down here. Here it says Clickbank has physical and digital goods, which is great. Two types of products to promote. The commissions are as high as 90%, which is insane. That means that for every dollar you sell, you make 90 cents. You will get paid on time. They pride themselves on that. You will get credit for every sale you make. Their tracking system is great, and it will let you know when you make a sale and pay you for it without you lifting a finger. Seriously, guys, I'm not lying. This is a great opportunity to make passive income, and you cannot pass it up. Like, seriously, this is so easy. Now, to get started, first we gotta sign up or join in. Let's add our info here. First, which country are you in? Find the country you're in on this list and select it. Then we will add a name, we will add a last name, your phone number and the correct area code, that's very important, your email address, and finally a password. Now remember that the password has to be at least 2 lowercase characters, at least 2 uppercase characters, at least 2 numbers, at least 2 special characters or symbols like an exclamation point or the @ symbol, maybe a hashtag. This makes the password hard to remember, but that's the cost of security, right? Alright, now that we have all of our info, we accept the terms and conditions. So we hit that button, we click on that. I already have an account, so I'm just gonna sign into my account. Once you have an account, it will send you to your dashboard. Your dashboard is where all your information is, right? This is all the information on your page and how much money you've made, etc., etc., etc. This account I made, I did not put in any orders yet, so it hasn't made any money, but this is just so you can see what it looks like, right? You'll have all your information right here. Down there it says how much money you've made out of each of your nicknames, which is the next step. You can look at every single one of these steps over here. Look at the information that it provides you and all that stuff, but that's more advanced stuff you'll get to later. First, we have to make a nickname. So we're gonna go to this tab. This is manage account nicknames. Now you're gonna create an account. In this account you're gonna select this option right here, which is affiliate or promote products. So we're gonna hit that, we're gonna click on it. Now we have to create a nickname. Here you can type any nickname you want, but you might find that that nickname is already taken. So just keep creating a nickname you like until you find one that hasn't been taken. I will show you down there that if it has been taken or if it hasn't been taken. Once you find one you like and it hasn't been taken, you're gonna hit that create account button. Once you have a nickname, you can go on this tab, which is the marketplace. Here you can go to the marketplace where all the products are. You can promote any of these that you like. You also have the option of selling your own product and finding affiliate marketers for your own product, but today we will focus on how to become an affiliate marketer. This is way easier because that way we don't have to worry about creating a product, manufacturing it, etc. We just take someone's idea that we like and we want to support, and then we help them by promoting that product, and we get help too by getting paid by doing it, which is a great way for everybody to win, right? They make money, we make money, they sell their products, people buy the products they'll like because you showed it to them, and everybody's happy, right? So now let's go over here to the marketplace and let's look at some categories. So here we see we have stuff like arts and entertainment, as seen on TV, betting systems, business investing, computers, internet, cooking, food and wine. We have a lot of categories here. There's a few of them that are better than others when it comes to selling, right? There's some of them that will sell better than others. Health and fitness is one of the ones that will sell better than others, right? So choose one that you like but also will sell well, right? So I think games will sell well, plus also I like games. So we have a bunch of opportunities here, right? So we have FIFA 20, we have Dougie World, we have Joanna's, we have Hayden World, and we have a bunch of information under each one of this, right? So over here we have all the information of each of the affiliate marketing opportunities that are available to us. So what we see in here are stuff like the number of people who are sharing it, the number of people who are making money, how much money they're making, the percentage of the money that they're making, right? So all of the information you will need to choose your product will be here, right? So right now we can see all of these areas where you can choose and switch the parameters of what you want to look for, right? So you have the stats right there. So if you want better stats, you can switch those parameters so that you have better stats on your search results. You have all of these other options right here, and under here we have the categories again, so we can switch to a different category if we want. Right now we're gonna go to arts and entertainment, and here we see a bunch of different opportunities as well. We see that there is a piano for all opportunity right here. The average sell is $21. We have a bunch of other information. Average sell percentage is 60%, average review total is 0, average review is 1%, grab 91. Grab is a very important number because that means the gravity is how many people are selling and making money right now out of that product. So that's one of the numbers you want to look at. So looking at this, it's a pretty good opportunity. So we're gonna try to go with that one, right? So we're gonna click on piano for all. We're gonna wait for it to load, right? Sometimes it takes a little bit to load, and now we're in their webpage. Now this is great that we're in their webpage because we can see what the product is about. We can see what we like about the product, what we want to promote about the product. We have material we can share about the product to help us sell it, right? And now that we're in their webpage, we're gonna look for their affiliate program, right? So some of these pages have a tab that says affiliate program on them. We want to click on it because it will give us all the information that I just talked about, right? Usually it's all summarized so you can share it with people and it will help you sell it to other people. This is one of the greatest tools I can share with you, right? So we have all of this info right here, how much you could earn, how to get started, banner ads, promotional videos, you know. It gives you all the tools that you need in order to sell this product. So now let's say we're convinced and we want to sell this product, we want to help them, right? So how do we actually convert seeing this web page into getting the opportunity to sell their product and make money with them, right? So to do that, we have to go back to Clickbank, and once in Clickbank, we are gonna go to the marketplace, find one where we found this ad, and we're gonna click promote. Once we click promote, it's gonna show us this window. Here in this window, we're gonna type in our account nickname. Remember, we made an account nickname a little while ago. Now this is the time to use it. We're gonna type it in. I'm gonna type in example of nickname, right? So that you know where to type it. And we are also going to type tracking ID. The tracking ID is where you're gonna post this. So remember, we're gonna hit promote. We're gonna go to account nickname. We're gonna type in our account nickname. We're gonna go to tracking ID. We're gonna type in our tracking ID, which is the social media we're gonna share it on. So Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, whatever you wanna share it on, that's where you're gonna type in. And it's important because if you see this link they give us at the end, it says Instagram after we typed in Instagram. So it's important for us to type in where we're gonna share it, and then we're gonna hit that button, and that will copy or link into our clipboard, and now we can share that link. And why would we want to share that link? Because sharing that link is how we make money. If we take this link and share it in social media or somewhere else, people will click on it. After they click on it, if they like the product, they will buy it. And if they buy it, you will get a commission. So that's how we make money. We share that link, people buy the product, and we get a commission. You don't have to worry about letting anyone know about any of the sales or anything like that, because the program Clickbank does it all on itself. You just literally share the link to people, and if people click the link up to 30 days after they've clicked the link, if they buy that product, they will pay you. So it's a great way to make money, to just share a link and make money through selling stuff that you didn't even have to make, right? It's a great opportunity for you. I suggest you try it. Now we're gonna look at a couple examples here of how people have made this into a way to make money, right? So we're gonna go to YouTube. So we have a video here by someone who plays the piano. It's called Piano for All Review After 7 years. It's a whole video of him playing the piano and explaining how he liked or didn't like Piano for All. It says check the course over here, and it has a link. So this is the links we were talking about. He made his short, right? So it didn't look that bad. But if you click on it and you go to site, it sends us to Piano for All. It sends us to the webpage that we're trying to promote, right? So this is how you make money. You make videos like this other guy, Josh Simmons, and you set up the link and you click on it, and that will send you to the webpage that you want to promote. So you could make reviews. You could do this on Facebook. You could do this on Instagram. You don't have to do it just on YouTube, right? This is an example, but you could do it in any type of social media. Now be very careful, because sometimes we make a video like this guy called Houston Andino, and when you go to the URL, or you go to the link, you click go to site, and it's no longer in service, right? So we want to make sure that our links are working. We want to make sure that all of our stuff is in order, so that we can keep getting paid every time that someone buys that product through our link. So to summarize everything, you need to go to Clickbank, you need to make an account, and you need to get those links to promote the services and the products that they are selling. Once you do this, you'll be able to make money off of commissions, right? So we go to Clickbank, we make money off of commissions, and everybody's gonna be happy. You're gonna be happy because you made money. They're gonna be happy because they made money. And this is one of the ways to make money online. Again, I wanna thank you very much for watching. I wanna ask you for the small favor of subscribing. It will help you make money in the future, because we will be bringing more videos about making money pretty soon. Thank you very much. Have a great afternoon. I'll see you later, and keep watching.